Where is my golden daisy? Once upon a time, there was a little honeybee named Bella. Bella loved buzzing over meadows, hills, and gardens to find the sweetest flowers. But there was one flower she loved most, the bright golden daisy. Every day, Bella would visit it to gather nectar. One morning, Bella woke up and buzzed to the meadow, but the golden daisy was gone.
Oh no! Where is my favorite flower?
She searched over the hill, behind the big oak tree, and even under the bushes. But the golden daisy was nowhere to be found. As Bella buzzed sadly, she saw Mrs. Sunflower waving in the wind. Bella, don't be sad. Flowers bloom and grow in many places. Look for meadows where daisies love to hide. So Bella flew further than she'd ever been before. Finally, behind a little blue pond, she saw it, the bright golden daisy.
Buzz, Buzz, I found you!
Bella began collecting nectar.
Do you know how honey is made?
She whispered to the daisy.
When I gather nectar from flowers, I carry it back to my beehive. My bee friends help me turn the nectar into sweet, golden honey.
Soon, Bella returned to her hive. The bees worked together, buzzing, mixing, and storing the honey. The nectar slowly turned into thick, golden honey, sweet and delicious. Bella said to her friends,
Honey is special. It gives us energy to buzz around all day. It can also help us when we have a sore throat or feel tired.
The next day, Bella visited the golden daisy again.
Thank you for helping me make honey.
And she buzzed happily through the meadow, bringing sweetness wherever she flew. Moral of the story: honey is nature's gift, made by hardworking bees. It gives energy, keeps us healthy, and is full of sweetness to share.